Managing a homeowners association, HOA, or condo community is no small feat. It requires meticulous planning and organization to ensure everything runs smoothly. This annual checklist is your go-to guide, designed to help board members and property managers stay on top of essential tasks throughout the year. Let's dive into each critical area to ensure your community thrives. Start by updating both physical and digital copies of all governing documents, such as covenants, conditions, and restrictions, CC&Rs, bylaws, and rules and regulations. Ensure these updated files are easily accessible on your community's website, document storage library, and included in the welcome package for new residents. Additionally, remember to file any amended documents with the State Corporation Commission and local land recorder as required. It's essential to prioritize maintenance and renovation projects for long-term success and sustainability. Don't overlook their importance. Identify and schedule major maintenance, repair, and renovation projects for the upcoming year. Obtain bids and select vendors for these projects, keeping in mind potential delays due to permitting, weather, or contractor availability. Reviewing and updating the reserve study is crucial to ensure there's adequate funding for these projects. Financial audits and budgeting are essential for the success and financial integrity of an organization. They are key to ensuring transparency and promoting sustainable growth. A well-maintained community not only increases property values, but also fosters a sense of pride among its residents. Gather and submit financial statements to a certified public accountant, CPA, for an annual audit or review. Once the audit report is completed, approve it in a board meeting and address any concerns that arise. Store copies of audit documents securely, both digitally and physically. Lastly, update budget projections and assess dues for the coming year to maintain financial health and transparency. Tax and regulatory compliance are essential for success. Following these standards not only provides legal protection, but also builds trust and credibility within your community. Schedule tax preparation and ensure that all required documents are ready. Book an appointment with a tax professional for guidance and make sure to file the HOA tax return, whether it's Form 120 or 1120H, before the deadline. Confirm that all necessary state and local filings are up to date. Staying compliant with tax regulations is essential to avoid penalties and ensure smooth operations. Board and committee meetings are vital for achieving our goals. Engaging the community is not just important, it's key to our collective success. Schedule all required board meetings for the upcoming year well in advance. Plan committee meetings at least 2 weeks before board meetings to allow ample time for report preparation. Review meeting minutes from the past year to ensure follow-up actions are addressed. Insurance and risk management are critical components of managing a HOA. An HOA is responsible for maintaining a community's common areas and shared amenities, which exposes it to unique risks and liability issues. Review current insurance policies, including property, liability, and directors and officers, D&O, insurance. Contact your insurance provider to inquire about any policy changes and potential premium adjustments. Ensure compliance with any new state or local insurance requirements. Proper insurance coverage safeguards your community against unforeseen risks and liabilities. Coordinating activities and organizing holiday celebrations play a key role in strengthening community bonds and encouraging active participation within a HOA. Schedule major community events and update the annual event calendar. Publish and distribute the community calendar in both digital and printed formats to keep residents informed. Confirm office closure dates for holidays and communicate these to residents. Clear communication and effective newsletters are vital for achieving homeowners association goals and encouraging member participation. Plan the frequency of newsletters, whether monthly, quarterly, or otherwise. Consider switching to a digital newsletter to improve accessibility and reduce costs. Ensure all contact lists for residents and stakeholders are up to date. Effective communication is key to keeping everyone informed and engaged. Download your free checklist now and take control of your community's success. To streamline operations further, explore Neighbors by Vinteum, your all-in-one platform for HOA and condo management. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. See you next time.